Hello family, welcome to my channel. Miss Disha here. Today we are going to cook African village food for dinner. Kindly, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, like, comment and share it to your friends. Let's get into it. Straight away we will help each other with mom to prepare nyama. She will then go ahead to place the pot on fire, add some salt and water, cover it and give it some time for it to cook. On the other hand, I will go ahead to peel and grate the carrots. Adding the baking flour to the carrots, I will then add samli, salt, turmeric, and mix it. With warm water, I will add bits by bits. In our village, especially in our home, if we want to prepare yellow chapati, then we add turmeric. Let me know in your village how you do it. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. This is Giriamaland, Coastal Kenya, Africa. With the pan ready on fire, I will then go ahead to roll the small dough balls. This process will then continue till we are done. ingredients are ready. After cooking the onions for some time, I will then add tomatoes.